In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your phone number instead of your email in iMessage. Have you ever wanted to send iMessages using your mobile number, but found that your email address keeps popping up instead? Well, stick around because in this guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps to make sure your messages are sent using your phone number. And don't worry, these steps are straightforward and only take a few minutes to complete. First, you'll want to open the Settings app on your device. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the section that says Apps and then look for Messages. Within the Messages settings, you'll find an option called Send and Receive. This is where you can manage the addresses and numbers you use with iMessage. Now that you're in the Send and Receive section, take a look at the settings under You can receive iMessages to and reply from. Here you'll see a list of both email addresses and phone numbers associated with your Apple ID. What we're focusing on today is ensuring that your phone number is selected, rather than your email, for sending and receiving iMessages. Move on to the next section labelled Start New Conversations From. This is where you set the default contact information for when you initiate new chats. For consistency, it's best to select your phone number here as well. Having the same number selected in both sections ensures that all your messages are seamlessly associated with your phone number, maintaining consistency across all your communications. If you notice that only your email is currently checked, you'll need to activate your phone number. Simply tap on your phone number to select it. By doing this, you are telling your device to prioritize your phone number over your email in iMessage. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you prefer your interactions to be linked directly to your phone number, which many people find more practical. Once you've ensured that your phone number is activated for both receiving and starting new conversations, you're all set. From now on, your conversations via iMessage will be linked to your mobile number instead of your email address. This tip can be incredibly useful, particularly if you want friends and family to reach you via your phone number, or if you use multiple devices for your iMessage chats. And there you have it. A simple and quick way to ensure that you're using your phone number rather than your email in iMessage. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now all set up to send and receive messages the way you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tech tips and tricks in our other videos.